a sum fetch of simple interest of 4016.25 of this amount, okay, at the rate of 9% in 5 years. So what will be the sum? So this is very simple question. So always remember, to calculate the sum in the interest, you have to remember two formula. One formula is what? One formula is called the interest gain. So interest gain will be what? PTR by 100. Always remember. Okay. So PTR by 100. P will be what? P is basically the principal amount, 4016.25. Okay. T is what? T is 5 years. R is what? R is the interest. Okay. So by 100. So what will be the answer? So if you calculate it, the answer will be how much? Calculate the answer will be your 1807.31. Okay, so this is what? This is basically the interest gain from this simple interest. Now you have to calculate the total sum. So what will be a total sum, or how you can calculate the total sum? Simple, the principal amount 4016.25 plus this interest amount. Okay, so the total value will be how much? Total value will be 5823.56. So approximately the first option will be the correct option. Understood? So in this way you can solve all the simple interest type of question. Just you have to remember this formula, that PTR